guys, welcome back to my channel, and before anything else, if you're new here, please click that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So in this video, I will be showing you my acrylic nails after 2 weeks, and this is to test the nail dehydrator and nail primer that I used in the previous video. So ito na yung nails ko after 14 days. Sumubo na siya pero di ganun kahaba. I don't know, pero hindi ganun kabilis humaba yung nails ko, but as you can see sa thumb, may sumisilip na natural nails and also for the rest of the fingers. I will be removing these nails today to show how I remove my acrylic nails, but I think it's still good for another week or two. Kaya sa tingin ko rin effective yung nail dehydrator and primer na ginamit ko sa set na to. Like I said in one of my older videos, I only let a nail stay for like 1 to 2 weeks before I remove them para gumawa ng new sets to keep the content running. Here on my right hand is the polygel nails I made to test the nail lamp. I think it's been 11 or 12 days kasi ginawa ko siya a day after I made the acrylic nails. So here I'm showing you guys how sturdy the nails are even after 2 weeks and wala siyang lifting or anything. Hindi siya nagpa-pop off kahit may ginagawa akong house chores, and I think it's still good for another week. Pero yun nga, I have to remove them to create more videos. I have so much planned, especially for the Christmas season, so stay tuned for that. So marirecommend ko talaga yung nail dehydrator and primer na binili ko sa Shopee. Link to the product will be down below in the description box. I will be making new sets to these fingers on both hands, kaya tatanggalin muna natin yung sa right hand, and I will show you the acrylic removal because I already uploaded 2 videos on how I remove my polygel nails. One using just a hand file and the second using a nail drill. You can go check out my channel for those videos. So let's start. First, we will use a nail clipper to trim down these nails, and if you have those nail trimmers, the famous pink ones, I think it's better to use that when trimming down long nails, but if you don't have one, it's okay to use one like this. Just make sure that there's no one nearby because it can fly across the room. After that, tatanggalin muna natin yung mga nail polish, yung ginamit nating black and white dots, pati na rin yung top coat. Before filing it down, so gagamit tayo ng cotton and soak it with nail polish remover. I'm using this Bobbie nails acetone, so isasoak natin yung cotton with this and wrap it around the nail. Then using the nail soak-off clips to make the process faster. I let it soak for just 3 minutes. Di naman kailangang matagal kasi nail polish lang yung need natin tanggalin. So after nun, kunin na natin yung nail drill. I'll be using a coarse sanding band to file down the acrylics. And just like polygel, you're gonna file down the acrylic thin, but also to where you're comfortable. And don't let the sanding band stay in one place for too long cause it can burn the nail. So if you're a beginner in removing polygel or acrylic and you're using a nail drill or even a hand file, it's okay if you can't file it thin enough. Nung first try ko din in removing polygel, di siya ganun kanipis, kaya medyo natagalan ako sa pag-remove, pero nung nasanay na ako sa paggamit ng nail drill and a hand file, mas napabilis na yung pag-remove ko ng polygel and acrylic kasi kaya ko na siya i-file ng mas manipis than before, so it just takes practice and patience. Ganito kanipis yung kaya kong i-file, so after filing all of the nails, isusok naman natin siya using acetone. Unlike before nung tinatanggal natin yung nail polish, isusok natin ng maigi yung cotton kasi kailangan natin ng good amount of acetone kasi ito yung magtatanggal ng natitirang acrylic sa ating nails. So, I let it soak for 15 minutes and after that, pwede na natin siya i-scrape off using a cuticle pusher. Unlike polygel, kapag sinoke mo yung acrylic and acetone, yung texture niya is parang gummy, parang nagiging rubber siya kasi yung polygel, pag sinoke mo sa acetone and in-scrape mo siya, the texture is flaky. In acrylic, mas madali siyang i-scrape using a cuticle pusher kasi mas malambot siya kaysa sa polygel, pero same lang din sa pagtanggal. Don't put too much pressure sa pag-scrape to avoid wounds. Kasi pwede naman natin siya i-soak ulit for another 15 minutes. So after natin patanggal lahat ng acrylic, we're gonna file our natural nails to remove the bits and pieces of acrylic left on the nails. After that, I want to go ahead and wash my hands to remove all of the dust from filing, and then after that, we're gonna apply cuticle oil to nourish our nails, making sure to massage the nails and the cuticles. And that's it. That's how I remove my acrylic, and I would also recommend the nail dehydrator and primer kit I use for acrylic nails. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do. So please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below suggestions on what I should do next. Also follow me on Instagram at @thehappyfingers, and if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.